Good morning or afternoon. Oh, no,
Copyright.
Good morning or afternoon, depending on what time you're actually watching this video. I bothered to upload it with Aaron this lovely morning. About what time is it? The clock's running late, but it's early in the morning, and we're going to be going to do some work on Matt's Mini. It's like Mini Mayfair, isn't it?
Yeah, but the crepes come first. New shoes. New shoes.
Buying new shoes.
New shoes.
Right.
I can't go for all black. My friend's got them. And I've got the all white, so that leaves me my choice.
You've ruined the car.
My what is it?
No.
My bag has a load of white stuff over it.
No.
And that was paint from the hall.
Paint.
Yeah. If you smell it for too long, you get a bit high.
I don't think you do. Oh, your knob's falling off, isn't it?
Even Bromley bought 2 pairs of trainers, drank coffee in your car for half an hour before you're even here.
I'm sorry, it's embarrassing.
It is.
I've got to save the free creeps. We've got to sort this car out, boy.
You're the one under there.
I'm wondering what this panel does, because it's fucking rusty. This is going to break one, Russ. Where we put it? You spin the piece of metal round, so it's bending with the car. I'll go get the gun.
Otherwise your paint will bubble, 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 boil and trouble.
Who needs that?
Cauldron burn and fire bubble.
What would you like, Michael?
Made toasty, mate.
I can't believe how easily that came off. It's like a butter through knife. No, don't do it.
That did nearly die. What the fuck is
Look
that?
it up in your Haynes manual.
It's for beating carpets stuff.
The girl the other day told me that she wanted to beat the shit out of my car. Well, no, she looked like a Yeti. So I called her Bigfoot and she's like, my feet aren't even big. I said, no, you've got more hair on your tits than I do on my balls.
Well, I don't know who just insulted yourself or her.
I was very satisfied. Because I would never break your heart. What fucking bullshit. Oi! Nah! You wouldn't even know that was there. I'm very proud of you, Aaron.
Oh, is it sarcasm?
That's no, not even.
I can still see it.
No, the Mini Cooper logo.
Oh, right here. I was looking at the stripes.
No, Michael's box job. Aaron's
Michael's
job.
attempt, I would say.
It's decent from the right angle.
From the front.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know how her and her brother are so different, but...
Fuck this fucking advert. Yeah, boy.
Wait, just you?
Yeah.
Or it came with the car?
No, like I don't own a toolbox.
That moment when you know nothing about cars, so you're banished to cleaning.
Yeah.
You can squish it with your hand.
Yeah.
Look at that tread. The non-existent tread.
Leave it in slow motion and it'll be really good. What are you doing?
Having a plan.
Well, we need to drag up the front, don't we? So
Yes, we will.
You going with that?
Yeah.
And you laugh. The kid's like, you're fucked. Go away! Go away!
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's some weird detection. That was not so attractive video.
You can stop that now, Matt.
No, it's fucking loud. Don't do it.
Fuck. I'm in an emotional state right now.
For the rust. There's rust on top of rust.
No.
Fuck's sake.
Got that rusty rust.
Honestly, I can't bust this nut. Yes, it's the square nipple.
Excuse me.
Oh, you just committed on the wrong side.
I'm sorry. I'm trying my best.
Grimy stuff.
15
Just
times.
just move the mini rolls all the way.
4.
Don't move them too far away.
Oh, don't need.
I'd say
I
don't
can't
get
see
any...
shit with these things on. Everything's blurry, man. Yeah, boy. Fucking 2017 looks.
And probably that light cable.
Don't film this. This is embarrassing.
Alright. You can do that and then, can't you?
What stuff?
I was just wondering if it's loose or not.
Show us what size. In there. What's the picture say?
There's no pictures.
Is there no pictures?
Alright, clean your hands inside, boys. I'm having none of that shit.
Why do I get the feeling you've removed my only exit
We haven't.
from the pit? Are you positive?
No, you can still get out, but you will get shitloads of black on the back. When spraying black death on your car, cover the shit you don't want covered in newspaper. It saves the day. It's fucking cheap, mate. Where's that adjustable screwdriver?
Oh, it's not
This
this big, is it?
Spanner.
Cool. Matt's gonna die.
That dot 4.
Nah,
So he
just
checked the
leaks.
engine to make sure it went, but he didn't make sure it stopped.
Yeah, boy.
Does it stop?
Every now and again.
Yeah. This wasn't a good big one.
Oh. Let's book it. Looks like a really shit coffee cup.
Someone Google it quick. Is it illegal to drive with the bonnet off?
Who gives a
Absolute
shit?
rip.
It's rusty anyway.
Do it up decently tight.
I just want to see if it comes up.
It should. That's the dirtiest swerve I've ever experienced in my life.
What'd you do with the lid?
Fuck.
The one thing you were given.
Oh, you fuck! It smells like lemon. It smells like lemon sherbet.
I'm not seeing one.
You know, there's a problem with this. Who owns the Mini?
Pretty sure it's you.
I own the Mini. Why the fuck is he in the front seat? What's going on here?
Because I've seen your driving.
You scrub.